Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, experimental flags in the different browsers and Google Chrome is something we talk about quite often on the channel. And just to let you know now that in Chrome Canary, there's a flag that's become available, which has been available for quite some time, but only recently has started to work, where Chrome will allow you to import and export your flag sets. So as an example, if you want to set up another Chrome Canary browser on another device, and just to make it easier to set up your flags on that browser and that device, you would just export and then import into the new browser. So I do think this is a nice move. Now, if we head into our experimental flags page by heading to Chrome://flags, you'll notice here to the top right, we've got an import and an export button. And if I click on export, we can see it's downloaded a .json file. So if I head to my download location, there we go, flags.json. And then if I want to import that back, as an example, into another browser, another Chrome Canary browser, as an example, I click import and I head to my download location, and there we go. And I would open that, and that would import those flags. So just a small little significant change that if you are working with a lot of different flags in Google Chrome and setting up new browsers and so on, I think that's a step in the right direction. Now, as mentioned, that's hidden behind an experimental flag. So to bring up the irrelevant flag, we would just enter import. There we go. Import and export flags enables importing and exporting flags from Chrome://flags. Just change that to enabled, restart the browser, and that will apply the flag. And just one thing to take note, almost forgot, that after importing the JSON file, you will be prompted to relaunch the browser for the changes to take effect. So nice move. And I don't see why that wouldn't make its way down to a stable version in the future. I think it's only a matter of time. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.